Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Panel roof. Come around back. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. I said it all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Memory seats. Power windows. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Popping in. Got a push start ignition. Steering wheel controls. This one also does come with a smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Our media display. This one also does come with the convenience package, which is going to give you auto dimming mirrors and garage door openers. Rear view backup camera. Black wood trim. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 16,610 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.